If you want to connect your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 to a Samsung Health app, then all you have to do is you need to simply make sure that you have Samsung Health app on your smartphone that is paired with the Galaxy Watch 9. On this smartwatch, we of course have the Galaxy Health app immediately. We can just open it at any point we want to, and we have all of these different features. If your smartphone that is of course paired with your watch is a Samsung device as well, then, of course, you have the Health app immediately available. If you open it for the first time, you will have to go through a setup, you will have to grant some permissions, and everything is very straightforward, so you shouldn't really have any major issues with that. And if your Galaxy Watch 9 is paired with a smartphone that is not Samsung, then of course you will have to go to the Play Store and you will have to download Samsung Health app. You can easily search for Samsung Health in the Play Store, and then you can easily install it on your phone, and the rest is pretty much the same. You just want to make sure that you use exactly the same Samsung account on both your Galaxy Watch 9 and the Samsung Health app, so keep that in mind that you need to use a Samsung account in this case, and you need to make sure that both your Galaxy Watch 9 and your smartphone use the same Samsung account in the Samsung Health app. Leave a like and subscribe.